Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a cool typewriter effect in Figma. Let's get started. First, open your Figma project and add a text layer. Let's write front-end developer. Turn the text layer into a frame by clicking right side of your mouse and choose frame selection. After that, click on clip content. By using clip content, we can do this. After this, let's make a text into a component. Let's duplicate a component. Convert the text frame into a component and duplicate it just like I am doing here. Now clip the content in each duplicate progressively until you reach your final text. Now repeat the same process for another text like UX UI developer. Now add a proto interaction with a 50 millisecond delay between each text as shown in the video. Now after completing this, let's add a component into our main frame. Well, finally, preview your work. If it doesn't play, just refresh until the animation starts. And that's it. You have created a typewriter effect in Figma. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you are curious about how I achieved the captivating hovering effect in the navbar, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'm here to guide you through the process and enhance your Figma skills tutorial. Thanks for watching.